Here is how to write 001 in Excel. Generally, when we type numbers in Excel, we get a 1, 2, 3, 4 displayed in this format. But what if, for the sake of consistency, we want all numbers to be displayed with 3 digits? In other words, we want the number 1 to be displayed as 001. Now, there are 2 scenarios. Suppose the numbers are already present and typed into our Excel sheet. In that case, what we do is we select all the boxes that we have and we right-click on it so that we can now select Format Cells. We will go to the Custom Format option that is provided and we would type out over here 000, which means the 3 digits that we require. Now when I click on OK and I go back, you see the numbers have been converted into the form that we want. Now suppose, scenario 2, we have blank cells in which we would like to fill in the numbers but in the 001 format. The first thing to do is highlight the cells. Again, we will right-click, select the Format Cells option, go to Custom Options, and we type out over here 000 and click on OK. And now let's test it. So I'm going to type 1 and I get the 001. A 2 gives me 002. A 3 typed out is converted to 003. A 12 is 012. And 13 becomes 013. And so on. We will notice that when I'm typing 112, the number remains the same because we had asked for a 3-digit format, and which is what it is providing us